Hi there, it's Sam, and with our updated asset panel, you can now more easily see and use the assets you've uploaded to Instant and uploaded to Shopify, from product images to other media you've uploaded. Find the image you like and you can drag and drop it anywhere on the canvas. When hovering over the image for a little bit, you get an even larger preview of the image. Click on the three dots and you can copy the link or go directly to the image editor within Shopify. Shopify Assets can be accessed from anywhere. If we click on this image on the canvas, click on the image icon, we can see all of our Instant assets and all of our Shopify assets. The same counts for the fill option of a container. If we select this container, head over to Fill, click on Image and replace this image, we can now more easily see and use all of our Shopify images. An additional benefit is that all your published Instant pages will now be loading even faster since the Shopify images are now directly served from the Shopify CDN. And that's it for this product update. Stay tuned for more announcements coming soon.